Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can pay Fairstone online. So now I'm currently at the Fairstone official website on their account, the online account management. So if you want to go here, you can go here by typing www.fairstone.ca, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can see all of their frequently asked questions. So since we're gonna be doing the how can you make online payment on Fairstone, so we're gonna click on this one. So what you're gonna do is that when you're logged into your online account management, you just have to click on the product that you would like to make a payment towards. So just navigate to the payments tab and then click make a payment. So you will need to choose between a one-time or recurring payment and then provide your banking information to complete the process. So that's pretty much it. And if you have a lot of questions, you can also click on these right here. So if you just really want to if you just want to have access to all of these answers of their frequently asked questions, then you just have to go to this website right here, www.fairstone.ca. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!